Yardistry developed the wooden gazebo in 2005. The gazebo became an instant hit with homeowners, displacing metal gazebos that were viewed by the consumer as being underbuilt and temporary. The Yardistry gazebo has been a lower cost option for the owner wishing to have a quality built, permanent structure in their yard, but not wanting to pay the thousands of dollars a custom gazebo would. Recently, some metal gazebo manufacturers have been adding wood posts and vertical wood beams to their metal roofs to attempt to regain lost market share to Yardistry. Yardistry purchased one of these products and recently completed a comparison. The quality difference is obvious when viewing the side-by-side comparison. Should the structure that covers your outdoor living space shake like this? Even though the wood post may look similar from the outside, they are not all made the same. Yardistry uses a much larger wood post. Thicker wood is used when constructing a Yardistry post, with a larger corner joint interlock which makes the post much stronger. Heavier post mount brackets and metal fasteners ensure the gazebo is held in place even during high winds. Gussets are used to add strength to the overall structure. It is very important that they are designed to withstand the large force that is applied to these connecting parts. Yardistry uses thicker and longer gussets. The roof beam receives the full load of the roof and is an integral part to the strength of the gazebo. Yardistry uses a much larger, thicker, and wider wood beam. 14-foot sides of a Yardistry gazebo have a steel insert added inside the wood beam. The metal gazebo does not have a steel insert. The beam is also stronger when the span between the support gussets is reduced. Even though the Yardistry beam is constructed using much heavier wood components, the span is reduced by 30%. All these building blocks, heavier posts, heavier gussets, heavier beam, and shorter beam span have created a much stronger base for the Yardistry roof to sit on top of. Yardistry does not use undersized components to construct the roof. Yardistry gazebos use heavier and longer sized corner rafter, and roof straps. Yardistry uses rafter ties to resist the outward thrust of the roof rafters when the roof is under load. The metal gazebo does not use rafter ties. Yardistry uses rust-proof aluminum to cover the roof. This compares to steel that has no base coating to prevent rust for the metal gazebo. Yardistry also uses 300% more fasteners to hold the roofing in place. The strength of the roof will determine how well the gazebo will perform in the winter with snow loading or during high winds. Yardistry has conducted wind tunnel testing where the gazebo had wind gusts exceeding 100 miles per hour. The metal gazebo states maximum wind speeds of 32 to 46 miles per hour. Yardistry has conducted snow load testing where the 12 by 14 gazebo was loaded with 6,048 pounds of weight. Our competitor's gazebo states the maximum snow loading of 100 pounds, which equals to 0.6 pounds per square foot. By adding wood posts and wood beams to metal gazebos, manufacturers are trying to create the look of a Yardistry gazebo. However, the quality of their gazebo remains the same as the original metal gazebos and fall very short in meeting the requirements of the homeowner, who's looking for a permanent covered structure that will last years in their backyard. Thousands of 5-star reviews and hundreds of thousands of Yardistry gazebos sold shows that the average homeowner values quality built structures from Yardistry.